Hey there, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a horizontal multi-tab navigation on your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so you can see the example here. So by default, when the page load, the first tab with the content loaded, and then if I want to switch to the second tab, all I just need to click on that tab. Okay, so this way for the third tab, fourth and fifth tab. Okay, so one more thing I want to mention, you can create any number of tabs. Okay, like in this example I have 5 tabs, but if you want to create more than 5 or less than 5, then it's also possible with this script. Okay, so let me show you how we can make this on our GoHighLevel. Okay, so I am on the page builder now, and it's a complete blank page, so I am going to create everything from scratch. Okay, I will take a full width row, and one more thing, I'm using the new page builder. Okay, but if you are using the classic page builder, the previous one, then it's also works fine. Okay, with that script. Okay, so let me create the tabs. Okay, so the strategy is we are going to take let's say for this example I'm going to create 3 tabs. Okay, so I just took a row with 3 column, right? So each of the column will be my tab, like first tab. Okay, then I'm going to make it bold. I will take another one, set. Okay, I can copy the content, second tab and third tab. I'll rename them second tab, third tab. Okay, so these are my tabs, and I'm going to make some background color. Okay, I'm going to add background color so that we can see the tabs, okay, properly, just for this example. Okay, so if you don't want to use the color, then no worries about that. It's basically based on your requirement, right? Okay, so and now right after this row, I will take another row. Okay, so let's say I want to make my first tab for a 2 column row content. Okay, so this will be the content of my first tab. Like let's say I want to put an image at the left, and then a headline, a subheadline, and a little paragraph. Okay, so I want to make them all left aligned to make looks good. Okay, so margin top and margin bottom, I will add 10 pixel space, right? Okay, so now this is my first tab. Okay, so let me make the second and third tab. I am just going to copy. Okay, third one. Okay, and for the second one I want the image at the right and the text content at the left, and also I want to add some space. Let's say I want to add margin bottom or margin top 20 pixel for each of them. Okay, margin top 20 pixel. It's actually depends on your design, okay, or your color or anything else, your branding, okay, the way you actually want to design your page. Okay, so for the first column, let me match the background color. Okay, so I will add the same background color so that we can see the changes. Okay, so second one and the third one, so it was this color, I think. Okay, so our content is ready now for the to make the function actually, right? So at this point you just need to grab the code from our GHL Code Snippet library. And one more thing, if you are a premium member, then you will able to access to the code snippet. Okay, otherwise this is the premium code snippet. So if you are a free member, then you cannot access to this code snippet. and you need to upgrade your account. Otherwise, if you are not a member yet in our GHL community or GHL Code Snippet, then you need to upgrade, or you need to buy this. Okay, or if you also want to join free, then you can also do this. Okay, you will get the link into the description of this video. Okay, so now here is the course snippet. Okay, so you just need to copy the course snippet from this course snippet library, as I said, and then you can just use your any code editor to make changes. Okay, so we just need to replace the column ID and the row ID. Okay, so for example, this is our first column, right? So this is our first column. We will replace the column ID, which is this ID. Okay, let me column, and then I will go back to the code. I will search the first column and I will replace with this one, replace all. Okay, so the first one replaced, and then I will search for the second column, and then I will replace the second column ID. Okay, you just need to grab the ID of your CSS, okay, from the GHL page builder, and then you can replace this way. Okay, so this will be the replaced. Okay, and then we'll search for the third one, and we will replace with our third tab column CSS ID. Okay, so like this, replace this one. Okay, so and this example we have 5 rows, right? So you will delete the last 2 rows. Okay, and then this way. Okay, so and then we need to replace the row. Okay, so we replaced column already, column ID, and now we are going to replace row. So this is the rows for our content. So I will grab the column, I mean the row ID like this, and then I will just edit them. Okay, row, replace. Okay, and then the second one this way, second one, where is it? I'll grab the ID, I'll replace it. Okay, then the third one, which is the last one in this example. Okay, is it? Just grab the row ID, okay, without the pound sign. You don't need that because we already have this inside our code when needed. Okay, so the third one will replace, yeah, and then the next 2, the 4th and 5, we will delete that. Okay, so now we are good to go. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to copy this code snippet, and we will go back to our GHL editor, okay, the page builder, and then we will take a new row, and then we will take the custom coding option. Okay, and then we'll put our code here. Okay, so we just added the code snippet, and everything should be fine if our code is correct. Okay, so let me preview this, and now you can see everything is good. Okay, so I have a first tab by default visible into the page, and if I click on the second tab, then it's showing the second tab content, and the same way it's working for the third tab. Okay, so this is how you actually build this type of content layout on your GoHighLevel page builder. Okay, so that's it for this video, and if you found this video helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share with your friends who need this type of things for their GoHighLevel page. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.